has been transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. All residents in Illinois must evacuate immediately. There are reports of a nuclear weapon in Bloomington. Residents should not shelter in place in Illinois. Please evacuate the state of Illinois immediately. If you're not evacuating, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Do not wait until you think it is time to evacuate. Evacuate the state immediately.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. This is a false alarm. There are no reports of a nuclear weapon in Bloomington. Residents who are evacuating must not evacuating as this is a false alarm and accidental. You may now return to your normal operations.